restart table, and once again the entire thing has to be restarted. So this is how a page fault has to be handled by the operating system. So once the page fault has been handled and you have a problem, that means, so we are supporting the degree of multi-programming. So degree of multi-programming is one of the important concept of operating system, where the CPU utilization should be high and the throughput should be high. So whenever we support multi-programming, so 2 or more users can be executing the process at a time. So whenever 2 or more process is executing the process, so you have some overload in the memory. That means the memory is to be overloaded. So many process has been handled by so many processes. So that time, whenever the operating system determines which particular desired page is residing on the disk, but it doesn't find any free frame in the physical memory. So once again I am telling the same thing. So whenever the operating system demands a particular page to be loaded in the physical memory for execution, that particular page is not currently in the physical memory. That is determined using valid or invalid bit. So if it is valid, you have two options. Either it will be in the physical memory or in the disk. So now the bit is valid, but the process is not in the physical memory but in the disk. So now the particular desired page has to be swapped into the physical memory. But in the last case, when page fault occurs, you have some free frame available. So the desired page is swapped into the free available frame. But now in this case, if you don't have, whenever the processor is handling multi-users and each user has n number of process and that particular process has n number of pages, you have some overload in the memory, and if you don't find any free available frame to load the desired page, and you have a problem. See here, so you don't have, the operating system is demanding a particular page that resides in the disk to be transformed to the physical memory. But if you don't have any free frame, so what is the condition and how the operating system to handle this situation? So how the operating system handle the situation? It identifies a victim page. So what is that victim page? See here, in the physical memory, all the frames seems to be filled. That you don't have any free frame where the processor need a desired page to be immediately swapped to the physical memory. So this particular situation has to be handled by the operating system. So it is in need to replace some of the pages from the physical memory swapped again to the disk. So this replacement, so this is why we have to, this is the need for the page replacement, as we don't find any free frame available in your physical memory. So to replace a page, so you're going for a victim page. Victim page is nothing but the operating system identifies a victim page. That is among the, these pages, the operating system will decide this particular page is a victim page, and this victim page has to be swapped to the disk, and whichever the page needed by